It is the evening now. I haven't really vlogged a lot because I was at work all day, but I'm actually heading to my massage now. And I think I might have mentioned it, but I basically have a standing appointment for a massage. And yeah, I haven't gone for a massage this frequently ever. I've basically been going every single week. This will probably be my 5th or 6th week, and I have a standing appointment all the way through the end of the year. And then I'll probably make some more appointments for the new year before the baby comes, and then I'll have to stagger them a little bit because I won't know necessarily when I'll have the time to go. So I want to get as much relaxation in before the baby comes. And like I said, as my body grows, I'm feeling like these aches and pains in lots of different areas, like my back and my shoulders and my neck. And I've also been doing lymphatic drainage sessions at my massage appointments, and they feel so good that I just like basically fell asleep. So I'm anticipating that today will be no different. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. And then my appointment's at 5:30, and then it's an hour. So at 6:30, I'm gonna meet up with the beau, and we're gonna get some dinner. I think we're gonna go get Subway because today's sub of the day is my favorite, I guess, sub, which is oven roasted chicken. I don't really like any other sub other than oven roasted chicken. So I'm gonna get that, and I'm also gonna stop by the house to pick something up, and then I think I might have to do some errands afterwards, but we'll see how relaxed I am, because sometimes after the massage I don't really feel like doing much else other than just relaxing. So I'll see you guys when I get to my massage appointment. Okay, I'm at my massage place now. This is what I'm wearing. I don't think I did an outfit. This dress actually is non-maternity. It's from the brand Dex. It's actually really comfy. I think the reason it works is because there's this ruching here. Scarf is from Zara, I think. It's cashmere. And then this coat is from Time. I'm not going to show you guys me undressing, but very peaceful music. This is where I would lie down. And because of this thing, it's a little bit modified, but still awesome. Okay, massage is done. I am starving, so I'm gonna go meet the beau and have something to eat. I look a little bit disheveled, but I feel very relaxed. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, meet the beau, and grab some dinner. Some of you commented in one of my last videos to chat about what it's like to grow up in Canada, and one of the things about Canada is that the weather, especially around this time of the year, is unpredictable. So it snowed pretty hard over the week, not the weekend, but last week. So there was tons of snow, and I think maybe a little bit over the weekend. And then now it is raining, like full on rain, and it's melting all of the snow, which is making for a tricky drive, because if it gets colder, you know, overnight or in the next couple of days, all this rain will be essentially an ice rink. So yeah, that is one of the things about living in Canada, is that you have to be prepared for all the different types of weather, because guaranteed you will get all the different types of weather. I'm at the house right now, and I also got a comment or a question suggestion, I think on my Instagram, that you guys wanted to see the beauty room, because I've been promising a tour for 5 years and I haven't gotten to it. So I actually will be doing a tour of this room. I just can't yet, because I'll spin you around so you can see what I'm talking about. It currently looks like a mess, because it's just kind of been a dumping ground for extra things from the living room. So I have clutter here from the living room. This was my glossy order. More clutter, more clutter, more clutter. So I will be doing a tour of this room once I have everything cleaned up, because it'll actually not be looking like this for too much longer, because we have a new addition that we have to kind of make room for. The spare room, which is the room next door, is actually going to be our baby room, but there's a bunch of stuff in there that I need to find a new home for, like my sewing machine. So this space is going to be no longer my beauty room, but it's going to be more of like a everything else kind of room. So I'm still going to keep my beauty closet, which is over here. And these shelves, these Billy bookcases, I'm actually going to move to the master. And then I'm going to move some things from our future baby room, currently our junk room, into this room. So I will do a tour of this room once everything is cleaned and put away and before everything changes. I also got a question about my studio lights. So these lights I actually purchased from Amazon, including this light bulb, and this stand is also from Amazon. I just kind of have it set up on a shoebox actually, and this lights up the background, I guess, really. So lately my videos have been, you know, with that like kind of stark white background, and this is essentially how I get that look. So I have a backlight and then I have these two front lights. And you might be thinking, isn't it cumbersome to have to turn on all of these lights at once? But they're actually connected to a Wi-Fi power bar. So this is what the power bar looks like. It's from the brand Genie. I got it from Canadian Tire. So each one of these switches can be controlled individually, or I can just turn the entire power bar on and off. This first switch is typically where I plug in my laptop charger. So I actually named it Charger. So I have a Google Mini in this room. Okay, so if I say, "Hey Google, turn off the charger."
Okay, turning the charger off.
She actually turns it off for me. And then these three lights are actually connected to the studio lights. So if I say, "Hey Google, turn on the studio lights."
Sure, turning on 3 outlets.
And then she just turns all the lights on. The white balance went all weird when I turned the lights on. So this is a little bit better. So yeah, this is what lights up the background so that it looks very white, and then these actually light me up, I guess. And I like these panels because you can actually change the temperature of the lights. So they have some knobs on the back. So one is for yellow and the other one is for white, and you can just set it to a combination of both depending on, I guess, the kind of lighting that you want. And turning them off is just as easy, which is awesome. "Hey Google, turn off the studio lights."
Okay, turning off 3 outlets.
Anyway, those are the secrets to how I film my videos. I also got a question in one of my videos about my glasses. Last year I actually did a whole vlogmas series or episode about all the different eyewear that I have. I still store them in the same way, although some are missing because I left one at work. I have, I think, 2 pairs in the car, and then I have the one that I'm currently wearing right now. And then I have my sunglasses here, which I actually don't even wear really because there's only, I think, one of these, this one, that is prescription, and I usually wear prescription. Oh no, these are prescription also, but I do prefer to wear prescription sunglasses so I can actually see what I'm doing and where I'm going. But the one I'm wearing right now, I've had these for well over a year now, and these are from Bonlook. You guys know I like to purchase glasses from there because they're relatively affordable, and also they are pretty durable. These are in the style Illusion, and it's in the colorway Blonde Metal. So you can get a lot of different colorways. This is kind of not quite a clear frame. It has a tinge of like a gold to it, but it's very pretty, and I really like the shape on my face. Okay, I have to show you guys the Beau's newest obsession, which is a bidet. He's staying at his parents' house, like I told you guys, and they have a bidet in one of their washrooms, and the Beau absolutely loves it. So he thought that now we officially needed bidets in our home. So I'll show you one of the ones that he picked up, and then the other one that hasn't been installed yet. So we don't actually have an outlet for this to plug into yet, which we'll have to get one installed, but he's currently using this. This is what it looks like, and look at all of the features. Okay, this is the other one that we picked up. We just picked this up on the weekend actually, and it's a little bit maybe less fancy, but it is a better brand, I guess. I'm home now, and before I wash my face, I am going to open today's advent calendar. Okay, we're on day 11. Oh my gosh. Is this? Yes. I love these little chocolate bars. They're so good. I'm gonna actually eat this right now. I changed my mind. I'm gonna save that chocolate bar for tomorrow. But I do have a couple of other Hershey Kisses that I'm gonna snack on right now. I'm not really doing much else for the rest of the evening. I have to do my nighttime routine, and then I'm going to edit a vlogmas video actually. And I'm gonna do it while I'm lying down. My body's so relaxed from that massage, I don't really feel like doing anything. I'm kind of laying in an awkward position. I'll show you guys kind of my setup, but I'm currently editing a vlogmas video while I watch a Raptors game on my iPad, so I'm multitasking. One of the things I picked up actually from the house is this light that I'm using to illuminate myself. You guys have probably seen it before, but it's what I use typically when I'm vlogging because it like clips onto the LCD monitor, but it's really handy. I had to find it though because it was a little difficult to find it in the mess of my beauty room. This is my current setup here. I have my phone on my belly. I have my laptop on my little like wedge pillow here. And then I have the Raptors game over here. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.